Hello guys, I would recommend this Mavic Air. It's been out for a while now, but like I said, all the bugs has been fixed on this drone. I would recommend it. The reason why I'm saying that because for this price, I actually seen it around 500 to 550. I actually got this for $550 with just the just the air itself and the controllers. But like I said, if you get the combo, it's a little bit more. But I think now, because it's been out, I know DJI is gonna have more sales, but they're probably gonna have it on sale eventually. But I would recommend it. I mean, if you are into drones, just wanna go ahead and just being active, and you just wanna go get away and do what you gotta do, and this is the drone for you. The range, I'm not complaining about it. It's actually, it can handle the range. I had no issue. Every time I've flown this, like in doing a long range, I had no problems with it, even with the light beam. And there's other drones out there for this price that are competitive, like the Anafi, and also the Mantis, the unique Mantis, and also the Hasper, and now the Hubsan Zuno. But let me tell you something, this drone still, I would say, number one. First of all, it got obstacle avoidance, the front and rear, and also the bottom position sensing, and also the flight modes has been fixed on this drone. I mean, you got a lot of flight modes. I mean, you got up to fly or whatever you can think of for the price that you're getting. I mean, there's drones out there, but you know, even though you have a Mavic Air, you're trying to think about selling this drone, you're still gonna get a good money value from it. And that's the reason why people ask me, is DJI worth a drone? I'm gonna say yes. I mean, if you have any other brand, like other drones out there or anything, like for an example, like the Mantis Unique, you're not gonna, if you're not liking that drone, you have it for a month, you're probably gonna get maybe $100 from it, maybe 200. Air is still pretty good drone, and the video quality is still pretty, I mean, awesome. I did not do any ND filter in this drone. Everything is raw footage. Whatever you see is that's what I did. I did any like tweaking, you know. I just pretty much it. But I know you guys probably can make it better than what I can even do with this video. Like I said, I would recommend it, especially it's been out for a little bit a while, but it's still good. All this been updated, all the bugs has been gone. Like I said, for what you're getting for now, especially holidays coming, and you're thinking about buying the Mavic Air, it's totally worth it for the price and also the portability. But anyway, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'm just giving you guys my thought on this Mavic Air. It's a really good drone. I would recommend it, especially when price drop.